Okay guys, so today we're going to go over magic science for wizards only. I know that we're not wizards, but we can try to figure this out to prove that we really are. So, this might look for like scientists only too, but today we're going to get over this. Now, as you can see on the back, we got some more chemicals. Okay, so don't try this without your parents. But step number 1, you just have to cut out the tape, not the box. You try to cut the box, you have to sometimes start it. You only have to do it with your parents only. Now, step number 2, you must take out all the chemicals. Once when you first finally got it out, cut the pieces. I'm very sorry for that, but hey. And once when you're done, you do not take out anything else. Now, we have a couple here. Now we're going to put it probably in each bowl, and after that, we will have this somehow, and if we can, use all of the wizard equipment. Now, if you really want to start this, you gotta be paying close attention. That goes for you, my classmates and Miss Quill. You can finally watch this video. Don't forget, you can find this anywhere. Or you can get it for Christmas. I got it for Christmas. Now, when I first got it, I never knew what it was, but now I knew it. But now, we must cover this all through here at the same size. But be careful, okay? Stop that. Now, everybody, this is number 3 or 4. I don't know this yet. I don't keep talking about it that much. But here we have our crystals, and here's a bucket soda. And I don't know what these are just yet, but this is gonna be a mystery for comments. And here are the magic pills, and here are the brown magic, and here are a mystery. Put down a second mystery of a comment and the third mystery of this comment. Okay, these 3 are the mystery comments. Must go to the comments and try your best to figure out. And these are my magic pills. Now, we're going at the pool of some of them or all of them in these, which are not filled with water, but are halfway within the water. Now, remember, you must use these wisely. And sometimes this might be real. It might only be for wizards. But we have to test this out and see if it's really fake. But I think this is real. And we are starting to make what we want to make. Look at this. We're going to soon be making that. We have to be patient and very careful when we're doing these things.
You need to grab a little more, don't you think?
Yeah. I think I must grab a little bit more. Now, I'm putting this in here, not the rest. We only have to cross these 3 out for now. Soon, the video will be complete. There might be a part 2, or this might be the whole part. But guys, still, we gotta make sure that you use this carefully. If you do, if they all spill into like little pieces and you can't pick them up, you fail. You must use this, and you only have to do only 2 drips. Be careful not use a whole ball. If you do, you can use any more and you change it into different colors like these. Be careful and do it gently. Now that's where you stop. And then you have to put these in only 1 or 2 of them. It's your only hope if you want to complete this. Now should I put the same color in here? Or should I just do just do random colors?
They will have to comment down below, guys. What color should he put in? What do you think, guys? Let us know in the comments.
I think we should just do this right now. Now, we have to see what will happen when it's done. Then you have to stare at it for a little while. After it is done, you will have something that will surprise your brain. Now, we're going to take the cap and we're going to put it back on and we're going to shake it after. Okay, guys? You must be still very careful with this. Then make sure that you don't have any little spots. Now, after, you gotta wait for 9 hours for the game complete. Now, make sure to come back with a comment so we can come back and see what color you want these magic pills to be in. You can also talk about what mystery is this. Ooh. And what mystery is this. You can try your best. It's the only thing what you can do so we can make a part 2. But if we can only make a part 2 if you just gotta be careful what you're doing for this time. And make sure that you comment down, like, and subscribe and share. Okay? Now, bye-bye. And Miss Burrell, if you're watching this, and Miss Wiltshire, if you're watching it, or even my whole class watching this, make sure that you do the same thing. I got this for Christmas, okay? But after, you can somehow just get it by your own. Now, good luck to try to make this before we do. It might take you some time, but still, it's not for a project. We're just doing this. In 4th grade or 5th, we're going to have science homework. We got to do stuff like this. And I got some more that we can show off next time. For now, let's go show it off. So, this is what we're going to do next time. Once we complete this, once we complete this, we will have to do the rest of these. We can see if we can try our best to fight more. Bye bye, guys. Don't forget.